Welcome back to our cabinet trade painting spray shop in Toronto. Let's get to it. I will be sanding the primer. This door has already been primed, 2 coats. I've sprayed Ben Shellac. Sometimes I spray Renner 643. Those are my go-to primers, Renner 643 or Ben Shellac. I have my Surf Prep LED light bar accompanied with my Husky lights that you see here. So first thing, I'm gonna check the bridging. Come closer. I have this Mastercraft dental pick. I will be checking the bridging. Okay, make sure I open that up. I got my Surf Prep 5mm foam pad. I'm gonna be sanding the profiles like this. Nice and smooth. I don't wanna burn through the primer too much. It has cured overnight after spraying 2 coats yesterday. Okay, then I wanna sand the profiles here on the side. The LED light bar really helps me a lot, to be honest. Comment down below if you have any questions. I'll do my best to answer them. So now I will be using my Mirka 3x5 sander with 320 grip from Festool Pads, accompanied with a little foam pad right here for some support. Before I finish the back side, I'm just gonna take this and sand the profiles from the back to make sure I do a good job. We are located in Toronto and we specialize in kitchen cabinet refinishing. All sorts of styles, oak, melamine, thermofoil, pine, shaker style, all those style of doors. So now, before I spray the finish, we have an air compressor and we will be shooting off the dust to then spray 2 coats of Chantilly glaze. Thank you so much for watching, and check back later for more updates.